ban a hero. Your team is picking.
I am the sovereign of the abyss.
The enemy is
the
picking.
slayer of gods.
Hello, my friend.
You got a good taste.
Your team is picking.
Let's play together.
The enemy
Let
is
them
picking.
play the hero. I will be the truth this world desperately needs.
Gagamitin ko yung uod, guys. Kurnak mo na eh.
I tolerate no
Your team
invaders!
is picking.
Let the
Killing begin.
Welcome to the greatest magic show of all time.
Kill all at once.
The enemy is picking.
Muscle of iron, bones of steel.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. All
Smash
troops
them.
deployed!
I will usher in the dawn of a new world. I am the inevitable. Suffer! command of its strength. In the end, only the victors will be remembered.
Yay!
To show mercy, fight destruction. The weak are but fodder. You reek of weakness.
Request backup.
Neither heaven nor earth can stop my ambitions.
Enemy reached level 4.
Request backup.
Understood.
Ally has been
Enemy reached level 4.
slain. The turtle. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Okay. An ally has been slain.
I don't give a damn if the world is against me. The reverse scale is still trying to consume me. I am the inevitable.
Launch attack. Okay.
Weakness.
Ally has been slain. Ally has been slain. Initiate press backup.
Dragon's Fang. I am the inevitable.
Kailangan tayo mag-mic. Okay guys. Oh guys, ang lakas niya sa Cyclops guys. Mamakutin ako guys.
Retreat from the turtle!
Oh, di ba? Ang galing ko guys. Savior nga. Savior daw sa atin yung Savior guys.
The turtle.
Wala, yung clear na Magi. Cleaner niya guys. Cleaner niya ba guys? Hindi guys.
Launch attack.
Stand by and watch the Cadia Riverlands wither into obscurity.
Okay guys, nandun sa taas yung katapat ko guys. Sa mid siya guys. I-clear ko na to tapos dadalaw ako. Dadalaw ako dito guys. Wala na yung blow up niya guys.
Victors will be remembered.
Yay! Na-reset.
Launch attack.
To show mercy.
Uy, sumurot siya guys. Sumama siya guys.
Understood.
Buti na lang buhay pa ako dun. Uy, muntikan na naman ako. Gagi na tayo.
My conquest is complete.
Patay mo na.
I will rest.
Our
turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack.
Wag po. Fuck. We strong. Nag-aabang na naman yung saber natin dito, guys. Nag-aantay ng magandang panahon, guys. Ito na yung Hayabusa, guys. Magbo-blow up yan, guys. Nag-turtle tapay lang.
Submit or die.
Request backup.
Oy,
Request backup.
andun yung gatot kacha, guys.
Enemy has slain the
Oy.
turtle. An enemy
Mukhang
impressive. Well played.
mamamatay lahat siya, guys. Nakabalik agad yung gatot, guys. Okay, guys, pumunta dito yung Estes, guys. Nakita ko. Wow! Dito na ang malakas na dragon. Uod. Hindi nila ako mapapatay kasi ako'y malakas na uod. Oh, na may ulti ulit yun, maduga. Successful yung pagka nag-aabang, guys. Ah, ang sakit niya. Dugi, masakit na siya, guys. Ako lang walang damage.
I am the inevitable.
Ayun, nandun na siya sa taas, guys.
Great play! Understood.
Uy. Patay na to, guys. Ito, guys.
Ally has been
Uod mode, vengeance. Oy, takbo. Hinabol ako ng healer, guys.
I'm low on HP.
Mabubuhay ako dito. Ako'y mamamatayin na. Final last sword. Ay, mabubuhay ako dito. Gagi. Lamang na sila, guys. Nevermind, madida pa yung lamang.
down.
Nevermind, lamang na sila. Push! Oh! Gagi, guys. Takbo agad. Saber.
Eternal.
Ala, taray. Andito na ako, pinakamalakas niyong tank. Andito sila sa Lord, guys. Dragon version. Uy, patay ako. Galing ko talaga.
Have been slain.
Tapos yung Lord. Retry. Ay, sayang.
Initiate retreat. Shut down.
Ay.
Setback only makes me strong.
Ally has been slain.
Neither heaven nor earth can stop my ambitions.
Enemy Lord.
Request backup.
Gagi, api. Ba't ako?
Initiate retreat.
Gagi talaga, tank build na ako guys. Ako kasi yung target eh. Joke lang. Kaboring manood pag nagpatay ka. Uod version, let's go! Andito na ang pinakamalakas na uod. Hindi nakagalaw. Walang na. Matay. Taray. Takbo. Kagi. Hindi na ka napansin. Gagi, nakachamba pa yun. Sayang. Push, sabi ng Harley, pero wala pang napupush yan.
Setback only makes me stronger.
Our turret is under attack.
Tingnan mo to. Wala na kaming tore pero sila madami pa.
Turret has been destroyed.
Andito guys oh. Oh, kapi.
I am the inevitable.
Nakita. Patay oh.
Impressive. Great play.
Takbo na. Ayoko nang mamatay ulit guys. Kaya tatakbo ako sa mid. Ako'y isang dragon. Pero parang uod. Naglo-lord na yung kalaban guys. Wala tayong pake siyempre. Uy, tinipiyan oh. Uy, patay yun. Dok lang, buhay pa, sayang.
Enemy has slain Lord. Initiate retreat.
Patay na to guys. Wala na, patay na to guys. Diba? Wala akong pag-asa nyo.
Request attack enemy Lord.
Uod version 2.0. Wow.
Initiate retreat.
Uod.
Retreat. Understood. Initiate retreat. Okay.
Pang malakas ang uod. What the hell? Uy. Patay.
Will suffice.
Wala na, nagtitipi-tipi lang ako kanina, ngayon din ako makatipi.
Request backup.
Ano na?
I don't give a damn if the world is against me.
Wala nilag. Gagi, full storage na ako.
Your turret is under attack. Backup turret has been destroyed.
Puro farm ka na. Oh, ang lakas mo naman. Gagi, ang bilis ng ulti niya guys. Pasan na naman yun eh. Eto guys oh. Nag-aabang na naman yung saver. Hey, op, op. Op, op. Oy, gagi guys.
Sikat buhata guys.
Nakawalan nyo lang yung minions na. Okay. Sabagay, tamit tayo, Lord.
Initiate retreat. Understood.
Oh, yung base natin guys, tapos na. Ay, wala, patay yan. Buhay pa ako kasi malakas ako mag-dip. Hindi! Help! Ah!
Understood. Triple kill. Initiate retreat.
Kaya ka to eh.
Okay.
Hindi ko man healer kami to. Healer na. Sige, okay lang kanya.
Our base is under attack.
Ayun, gayam. Damage na gayam. Yes!
Inhibitor turret is under attack.
May death build na ako. Let's go! Eto guys, emo.
Retreat from the Lord. Understood.
Lalag! Lalag! Gagi. Nag-lord sila guys. Gagi, naglag pa! Wala, nag-steady. Nag-steady. Wala guys, wala lag. Daryog guys. Maduga guys. Ayun oh, patay oh. Nice.
Permi umit na Wisit aja.
Lord na guys.
Attack the Lord. Request backup.
Oh, putok na. Yes.
Dore, adda kayam no ka.
Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret.
Alain ay no agko. Sige, balakat na. Okay guys, sa atin yung Lord. Nagbabay time. Oy! Ba't bumalik pa yun guys? Sa baba tayo guys. Gagi, naglalago. Ano to? Dahil ba full storage na ako?
Ally has been slain.
Yung namin eh.
Sorry, wait lang.
To show mercy, to impart destruction.
Dami Lord tayo. Okay lang.
Initiate turret is under attack.
Home, I never gave it any thought.
Fine. Ah, hindi na napatay.
Team destroyed a turret.
May maunultinan. Oh, ang lakas oh.
Understood.
Bobo, patay ka na boy.
Understood.
Never mind,
I
pasensya.
am the inevitable.
Kaya ka naghaya siya eh. Uy.
Amusing little thing.
Ally has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Neither
Launch
heaven
attack.
nor earth
Understood.
stop my
Never mind, takbo na.
Launch attack. Understood.
Gagi guys.
A people. This tribute will suffice.
Request backup. Initiate retreat. Impressive.
Galing ko. Galing ng scoring ko. Pang-uud talaga guys.
Your team destroyed a turret. Understood. Launch attack. Understood.
And Only the victors will be remembered. Suffer!
Gagi na tayo din eh.
Dragon's Breath!
Retreat.
Gamangkat na yan, sirigin ko.
Okay.
Di ko manil. Diba? Natay ko nga dyan eh. Pero okay lang.
Manakit din.
Hindi ka rod.
Peace has sapped this land of its strength.
Anyway,
Impressive.
push tanong ka atin. Wala, naglalag ako guys. Galing ka.
You reek of weakness.
Managlalord. Gagi, nakauwi yung cycle.
Suffer!
Enemy has slain.
Full team.
Impressive.
N. 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 Awang gayam to, awang gayam minions in.
Suffer.
Initiate retreat.
Sayang. Oh.
Tayo ka.
Oh, my ult.
Sayang mo nakalag to. Sinikon. Flicker na ko may freestyle ya.
Request back.
Okay lang.
Okay.
Gagi oh. Nandiyan na tayo, no? Gagi.
Attack enemy lord.
Gagi. Panalo pa to, guys.
Lord.
Hindi. Diyan tayo nagkamali. Shotgun probleman.
Tamo. Kami nagsawa.
Amok bet. Siyempre kita mo dyan scoring ko pa lang pang-igig. Pang-uod kasi yung scoring guys. Kaya ako yung problema.
I don't give a damn if the world is against me.
Oh guys.
Request back. Okay.
Gagi, pindot niya nga.
Request backup. Understood.
Si Kaman. Natuya ko dati pa eh. Okay guys, wala tayong minions eh guys.
Request backup. Understood.
Uy, muntikan ako natamaan dyan. Pag natamaan ako dun, hindi maganda. Makaka-revenge ako.
Nice.
SS Saber daw oh guys. Naghihiling na yung mga kakampi natin guys sa assassin natin.
Has been slain.
Bak nga, mataya kon. Hindi bak. Sakto lang.
Request. Our base is under attack.
Malakas na garod. Andito akong malakas ako eh. Oh wag, retreat. Ala, mamamatay to guys. Tignan mo. Tignan mo. O diba, bobo eh. Sabi ko sa'yo yung retreat eh. Wala to guys. TP na lang tayo dito guys. Naglo-lord na sila guys. Narinig ko eh.
I am the inevitable.
Wala guys, nagsusurrender na sila guys.
Retreat from the lord. The enemy has slain lord.
Guys. Sa taas guys. Pag hindi sila umuwi guys, sa taas to, tapos na to. Never mind guys, nakita nila. Tayo'y mahihirapan dito. My lord pa sila. Anong ginagawa pag my lord yung kalaban? Uwi. Gagi, nagpakita nakpay, nagdambil mi tate.
Ay, abay yes.
Yes, ko na naamak. Hindi ako pinauwi ng haya, guys. Wala akong magagawa doon.
Okay, timpla ka pinaka-game tapay gamis ah.
Kala ko malilimutan niya, guys.
Solo kill ko may bibuwa.
See you next vid.